State your name and your position here at LIKEtoKNOW.it.
I'm Mackenzie Johnson, and I'm a brand platform consultant.
Hoping to see tonight at LIKEtoKNOW.it.
Ooh, I have a lot of my favorite Dallas creators. I would love to see Amanda DeWitt and maybe Maddie Jewell.
Do you think you've got more since working at LIKEtoKNOW.it?
For sure, yes. Always on the app, always influence. I feel like working with it all the time, you just see how great it is and how many people are constantly posting on it. So, yes.
What's your favorite category to shop on?
For sure fashion. I feel like beauty's something, it's great to see it, and then when I'm in store, that's when I'm more influenced, but on the app, constantly fashion.
So what do you think was your most recent purchase off the LIKEtoKNOW.it?
From an LTK creator. Definitely sunglasses.